Come and join me on a plein air painting adventure. You won't believe this beautiful landscape that I have on my back doorstep in the far north of New Zealand. Anyway, I wanted to paint this coastal scene. It was a beautiful winter's morning. The painting was going well, but then suddenly some heavy clouds formed and it started to rain. I carried on painting, but then I had to pack up everything for the moment and then dry my painting off. Luckily the rain stopped, so I was able to carry on painting and it turned out to be quite a nice morning in the end. The weather is one of the challenges of painting outdoors, but in the end I finished my painting and I was really happy with the result. What do you think?